Coaching almost every week for the last 7 years, Neil has been a huge asset for Carmarthenshire Athletics Club. As an endurance coach, Neil has been able to achieve many successes amongst his squad in individual and team events. Neil has been responsible for coaching at the West Wales regional training courses and is team manager with both the Welsh London Marathon team and the Welsh Celtic cross-country team. Neil gives a lot of time to provide athletics opportunities across Carmarthenshire, including organising events for primary schools, Welsh cross-country championships and Welsh road relays.
Sefydlodd Helen glwb pêl-rwyd Morganite yn y 90au ac mae wedi ysgogi datblygiad y clwb. Mae Helen yn hyfforddi pob un o'r 6 tîm hun ac mae hefyd wedi cefnogi'r tîm dan 14 a dan 16 trwy gyfnod lle roedd yr adran yn y fantol. Mae Helen yn credu bod rhoi cyfleoedd i ferched ifanc i chwarae pêl-rwyd yn eu cymuned eu hunan mor bwysig i'w hyder. Bydd Helen yn mynd yr ail filltir ar gyfer y clwb ac mae wedi ymrwymo i gefnogi nid yn unig y chwaraewyr, ond hefyd y tîm o wirfoddolwyr.
A dedicated sensei for Higashi Karate Kai Club in Ammanford and Crosshands, Susie has developed a strong sense of community within the club. Susie is an inspiration to the students as she not only coaches in an enthusiastic way but also helps break down the barriers between young and old, higher and lower grades, and able and disabled students, concentrating on what the person can do rather than what they can't. Being deaf herself, Susie is committed to finding ways of inclusiveness for deaf and disabled individuals. Susie has also been recognised as the first ever deaf judge in Wales.